All right, today I have a Chrysler Pacifica and I'm going to show you how to turn on the hazard lights in this Chrysler Pacifica. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Let's get started. So I'm behind the steering wheel of this Chrysler Pacifica. In order to turn on the hazard lights, how to turn them on, how to turn them off, what you'll have to do is look towards the center console. And at the center console, you'll see this button right here. Do you see this button right here? This button is the hazard light button. It's a triangle. It's two triangles, one within the other. I'm going to go ahead and press this. And when I press this, you'll look up on the instrument panel, and both the left and right blinkers are going to be blinking. And that's indicative that the hazard lights or the flashers are on, or warning lights are on. All right. And in order to turn it off, I'm just going to simply come back over here. And I'm going to go ahead and press this again. And now the hazard lights, the flashers, the warning lights are now off. All right. So that's how you turn on and off the hazard lights, hazard flashers in this Chrysler Pacifica. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.